To make a boutonniere, you'll need a boutonniere clip. This is optional. You also need some floral tape, ribbons of your choice, and a pair of scissors for the flowers, as well as one more pair for the ribbons. Here I'm gathering some flowers to match the bride's bouquet. We are using wax flowers, tulip, white eustoma to create the boutonniere. The bottom of the stems of the flowers and the leaves should be clean, such that you can hold them easily together as well as tape them together. Here I'm just creating a small bundle with the materials that I have and positioning them so they look good when pinned onto the jacket. Using green floral tape, you can tape the stems together to hold the flowers in place. Now, floral tape only works when you stretch it, and then it only sticks on itself. So to use it, you may need a little bit of practice to get a hang of it. Align the boutonniere clip with the flowers at the back, using the same floral tape to tape the clips and the stems together. This is actually an optional step, as some florists may give you just a couple of pins to pin the flowers directly onto the jacket suit. To beautify the stems, you can add a ribbon of your choice. Usually this matches the ribbon on the bridal bouquet, and using the ribbon, you're going to wrap the stems all the way up to the top until it conceals the floral tape. Tie a little ribbon at the top and make sure this is secure so that the ribbon doesn't fall out when the person is wearing it, and you can trim the ends of the ribbon off with your ribbon scissors. As there are no water source for these flowers, make sure to put them in the fridge until it's time for them to be used.